Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and hopefully this will record this time. It didn't last time. I pressed the button, nothing happened. Alright, this is my haul video from Food Maxx, and my new caregiver took me to Food Maxx and took me to Half Price Books, and there'll be videos on that in a minute. Alright, here's what I bought. A Welch's Concord Grape juice, which I've mostly drank out of. Chicken herb dumplings, Progresso soup. Damn stuff is getting expensive, like $2 a can or more. Getting healthy here. Whole grain oat nut. I like this stuff. I haven't been able to afford it. Bread. A bag of Gala apples. I got a bargain on this. I think this was $1.99 or something. Look, oh! There's two of these. Paws clumping litter. And for the laundry that he'll do when his schedule is able to do it, I have not one, not two, not three. This is my new backpack, by the way. 4 rolls of laundry quarters. So tomorrow we were going to Walmart because I cannot use the credit card until tomorrow. The ever popular toilet paper. Popular? Popular? Oh, God. Okay. Honey Nut Cheerios with a packet of seeds. Cosmos seeds to help bring back the bees. Well, the bees have disease issues. I don't know if they'll bring them back or not, but anything will be a help, I'm sure. Linda Bolton now will be happy. A bottle of Canada Dry. Alright, we have iceberg garden lettuce, carrots, and red cabbage. Carrots, a little package of carrots with $1.17. I have not any carrots. I have to when I make my chicken soup. A bag of 3 pounds of Halos, California mandarin oranges. Okay. There are more in here, so in a bag over there. 3 cans or 4 cans of chicken and sea chunk-like tuna. My indoor kitties will get them. Tomatoes, several tomatoes. Tomatoes. A bag of red potatoes. And for the sewer gabbers, a jar of mayonnaise, their favorite condiment and lubricant. The evil bell gabbers. Alright, 2 green bell peppers for the salad. I got some more tomatoes in there. There's more tomatoes in the bag. I'm not going to grab them all. Oranges, I got 2 oranges. 4 lemons. My hot tea. My voice went out this morning. By the way, earlier when I was doing the video, Fluffy leaped all over this stuff and jumped from there to there. About 6 feet. Just boing! Asparagus. I love asparagus. Celery. This was cheap. Wishbone salad dressing. Thousand Island. My one weakness in jelly. Welch's Concord Grape Jam. My favorite all-time jelly. Welch's. Good stuff. Okay, the microwave is out. I'll pick that up tomorrow. Fuzzy goes to the vet tomorrow. 2 packages of herb roasted chicken. A package, this I can cook in the oven. Gorton's crispy battered fish. 12 pieces? Yeah, 12 pieces. And pizza. 2 packages of roasted turkey breast and stuffing. 2 cans of chicken broth. I stockpile chicken broth when it's cheap for soup or for cooking. And this was an incredible bargain. I got 3 bags. We used to drink this among other things, Yuban and Chase and Sanborn and Maxx House and chocolate nuts. This is an Eastern coffee. In fact, this is from where Lucky Farrell's comes from. This is from New Jersey, Montvale, New Jersey. 8 o'clock coffee company. Well, we used to drink 8 o'clock coffee. You'd see this in the A&P in the giant eagle. This was $1.99 on sale. Perfectly good coffee. You can see the date here. And this doesn't expire till December. And this is 12 ounces of, I'm not sure what the hell it is. Oh, medium coffee. I can't read that because it goes mild, medium, and dark on the bottom. So, I got 3 bags of this for $6. Now, they had a sale on Starbucks or Pete's, 1 bag for $6. So, I got 3 bags of coffee. Unheard of. And that's all they had. I just happened to go down the coffee aisle and I saw this tag and clearance. So, I don't know what it tastes like, but what the hell. Alright, that's it for now. This is my haul video. Tomorrow I go order the cat food from Chewy, take Fuzzy to the vet, get all the cleaning supplies. He is willing to do the laundry, but I said I have to be there to supervise. He wouldn't do it by himself. I said, no, you won't know what the hell put in, what I need bleached, what I got to have hot water, what I have cold water, what I have warm water. You won't know what the settings are. I have to be there to do it. When I go to get the laundry done, I'm going to have all the laundry done. And then I can put it away when I have the energy, and then it's all, there's no laundry on the floor, no laundry in bins, no laundry in hampers, no laundry in boxes, no laundry in bags. It's all put away. It's all neat. We get this place straightened out. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a nice day, a great afternoon and evening. Stay warm and dry and safe out there if you can. Bye-bye for now.